People with big hearts achieve big wallets. I am here to give you an update of one of the projects in our portfolio called Quattro Network, something that I myself probably should have paid more attention to because it is performing phenomenally. It has been a hidden gem in our portfolio, maybe not the best compensation plan, but has a very unique stipend weekly marketing budget that I'm starting to see on a weekly basis, getting that, and that can grow to several $1,000s extra per week on top of the passive, on top of the commissions and the team building. Let's dive into, well, even before that, let's dive into some of the key points about this project of why I joined, why it may be interesting to you. Yes, it's US registered. Yes, we're able to earn 7 days a week, including the weekends. You can start on their lower tier for about $250 to $300, earning up to 1% a day, or you can do the big boy move as I and others have done to really maximize this opportunity, which can earn you up to 1.8%, but the minimum for that is $2,500. And you can withdraw your principal after 30 days with a 15% fee. It's like a soft lockup, not a hard lock. And after 75 days, there is no fee. Also, there is free crypto signals for those that like trading on any exchange of your choice. You can either withdraw your profits on a daily basis, or it will automatically compound, which we're gonna see that in my back office. There is daily matching on your team's daily earnings, which can add up nicely, and they have transparency on the blockchain for each of their transactions. Here in my back office, we see that on this $5,000 account, I have made and withdrawn $25,000. This is extremely important. I want each of you guys to live to earn another day. Make sure you break even, make sure you get into profit. Yes, I could have kept compounding to some even greater numbers if I kept the $25,000 in. But the name of the game is to fill our pockets. And this has been quite a generous opportunity that we should use to improve our lives, use to have more capital, to diversify. And that only happens when you withdraw. In fact, we're going to be doing a live $5,000 withdrawal here today. Other aspects that we see is some of the micro transactions, including that weekly bonus that I mentioned for reaching certain rank. I'm receiving $435 weekly as like a stipend or marketing budget, and that can grow to several $1,000s. You can see all of the transactions. We're going to go to transactions and see. If we start from the bottom, we see $267, $272. Those are compounded growth. Now, why did that decrease to $93? Because I made a large withdrawal, and then it reset to roughly that 1.8% up to on about $5,000, a little over that. That's why it was like $93 and then $95 and then 96, 98, 100, 102, 103. 105. This has been a beast of a compounding machine, allowing people to passively get to some really serious life-changing numbers on a weekly basis and or even on a daily basis, depending on how often they come back and withdraw. But it's been really powerful. I know people that have put in 6 figures into this opportunity because they are loving the compounding, the accessibility of their principal. We'll continue to show you other elements of it, such as their Quattro Network Trading Signal API, where they send out these signals. They're going to get better at how they send it out so that we can catch them. But you can see their track record of the trades that they email, as well as they announce in the back office, that if you wanted to, you could follow along on any exchange of your choice to see that they actually perform well in the markets on their own algorithm with our funds. And that with those, you keep all the money in your own control, you keep all the profits. So I'm not a trader myself, but you have access to doing that. Now, let's dive a little bit into the referral program, which, as I said, has kept this from being one of the shining stars of getting a lot more popularity in our portfolio overall in the market. Because as you can see, the total payout across 7 levels is 23%. You get 15% match on your directs of whatever they're earning per day. Level 2 which by the way, to unlock that, you need 5,000 in team volume, is 4.5%. Level 3 is 2.5, level 4 is 0.5, level 5 is 0.4, level 6 is 0.3, and level 7 is 0.2. So it diminishes quite rapidly, but it has some other strengths when it comes to one-time bonuses as well as that weekly stipend. Let's look at that. So these are some of my numbers. Overall, our team has done $425,000 across all those levels. This has been due to 39, I think, direct. Team-based earning was over $20,000. Of course, my passive side was also compounding and growing, and this commissions automatically goes into compounding if you are not withdrawing it. In the back office, there is quite a bit of affiliate metrics and deep dives that I really appreciate. It helps you to understand your business. It helps you to understand how far you are along to getting to the next rank, getting to the next bonuses with affiliate summary, affiliate system, and team volume compensation structure. As you can see, my rank currently is regional executive, which means that I passed manager, getting a one-time $450 bonus, and then director getting an additional $720 bonus, and then regional director getting a one-time $1,500 bonus, and then executive, which is not just a $3,700 one-time bonus, but that is where the weekly marketing bonus starts at $140. And this is where I am right now at regional executive, my current rank, where I received a one-time $6,000 bonus and getting $435 as that weekly marketing bonus. The next rank would give a $18,000 one-time bonus and $520, and then it keeps going to a $30,000 one-time bonus for getting $1 million of volume, and then $625, and then it can be a $72,000. That is a high-end annual salary in a first world country, and $700 per week. This is more than I made working 2 full-time jobs in America many years ago. $185,000 and then $1,200 a week. And then you have $330,000 and $1,200 a week. What do you need for that? $11.5 million. And then $2.5 million. I mean, you never know who you will get as a teammate. With that, let's conclude with a withdrawal. Let's see how much I have available. So in my EA or passive side, which I did a large withdrawal on, from there, you can see in our YouTube channel, I believe it was around $7,000 to $10,000. But today we're gonna do a affiliate earnings wallet withdrawal of $5,000 from that $5,342. What currency do I want this in? USDT on the Tron network. I'm gonna put $5,000 here. And you can see the minimum withdrawal is 20, the maximum is $1 million. That would be a good problem to have. And then pasting my USDT Tron wallet address. Then I just need my 2-factor authentication code and I can execute 697655. Check the box that I am indeed not a robot, executing that withdrawal. And there we see it in the transaction history of a $5,000 pending affiliate withdrawal made right now. I'll let you know as soon as that lands in my wallet how long it took. But that is a quick summary of this opportunity and its development since it's been in our portfolio. It has been performing quite smoothly. Looking forward to sharing a lot more about this and many others. Stay tuned. I'm getting a call I got to answer. I will see you guys on the next.
You saw it right here. This young man, I've been following him for a long time. He's in it. Um, he loved the program. You see, he making some good money over there, and you can too. So I'm making this video available for our team. I've been following this guy for a long time, and he recommended the program. So have a number of other leaders contacted me, and they recommend the program as well. So let's go out and do this thing. Let's see. I encourage you to go ahead and get signed up and get your referral link and start earning. So a lot of leaders are, even people gonna be leaving BG coming over here making some good money. So I've been watching that young man right there for a long time. We've been on a number of different projects together, and Just like he sees win, it's gonna win for him, it's gonna win for me. Question is, would it win for you? Thank you.